Welcome to all. See, our present course is Engineering Mechanics. Class number I forgot 180 or 90. Leave it now. You see the class number, search Engineering Mechanics. Now, class number I do not know. I have not referred it. Around nearing 180, 190 like that. Part 3, that is centroid and moment of inertia. Now, lecture 55. Up to lecture 54, we are considering centroid and moment of inertia. From next class onwards, 56 also, we will continue. Remember, what I am telling now is also valid for future courses like strength of materials, structural analysis, RCC, steel structures, pre-stress concrete, or any subject I upload. Okay. So this is not regarding subject. It's information, or you can tell this is information, all red color, information, come advice, come warning also. If someone will tell arrogant person, okay, let him call. Warning, I got the right to warn for people who study from me. Warning, and one extra sentence I will use here in this class. There is a limit for everything. Later, when it comes, I may write short form. See, there is a limit for everything. I may write this way. Tial fet. I will tell at that time. If you want to know what is the meaning of this one, go to Engineering Mechanics Part 3, Lecture 55. See there. Okay. See, when I have been teaching since past more than 42 years. I'm in the teaching line. First initially in the college and then my own institution. Right now I am visiting colleges as for giving guest lectures. Regular, I am not employed in any college. And I am also conducting software classes. Okay. Now, information is simple. When I take a class, whether offline or online, I give value for education. I see that each and everything is clear for everybody. I thoroughly explain each and everything repeatedly. So many times I give examples. Sometimes people, those who find difficulty to understand technical example, I give day-to-day practical life example like money matter or eating something, running somewhere, so many things, driving a vehicle, etc. See, speed limit all. If there's a limit comes in structural engineering, people find difficulty, minimum requirement, or so many things are there where I give practical example, people understand. So I give technical concept and I always use simple language. I never go for complications. I can go to complication. I can show my level. But if I show that level, people will not attend my classes. They will tell, he is telling something, he does not know what he is telling. The usual. So I come down to your level and teach. I know correctly what difficulty students will have. See, a good teacher should know correctly. First of all, he should know the subject thoroughly, very thoroughly. Second, he should know how to teach. And lastly, he should know where difficulty will come to students. That's the most important. Where he thinks, for him everything is clear. See, for me, everything is clear. I don't require crude method. But students, I should know this, they may have difficulty for understanding. So therefore, I better explain some other way, or I feel explain again and again. So one time told, second time once told, second time told, like that repeatedly. So every time any concept comes, I tell repeatedly. Now, right now we are in engineering mechanics. Right now we are in what? We are in moment of inertia. See, already centroid location already over. Centroid already over. That is very important. We are in moment of inertia. Now we are in moment of inertia. Now, When you find moment of inertia, if they want about centroidal axis, first you have to locate centroid G or locate x, x, y, y. It is already over, not just over, already very, 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 very thoroughly over. Such an explanation I have given, and everything. Sometimes I will locate x bar from this side, x bar from that side, x bar, y bar from bottom, y bar from top, repeatedly. Every term was all the terms were explained there, so that everything is clear. So those who study from me, there is some duty for them, or they are bound by certain rules or requirement. They should go through each and everything, make a note, and everything they should make a note. Even those who buy the notes from me, I don't want to use that word, even them also I will tell. Sometimes I will tell, write what I told in the class. In the notes I will write what I told in the class right here. Some simple language, because I do not want to use money matter example or eating example in the notes. That I will tell, refer to the class, I write class number there. So use that one. So when that much I am taking, see, I am serious about this one. My purpose is, if not today, right now I am in the beginning. One fine day I know my classes will be spread everywhere. People will realize the importance of my class, how much I am considering. I told without a single technical mistake, calculation mistake, etc., spelling mistake, grammar, I don't make mistake, that's okay. So without any mistake, I have so far never told sorry. Sorry, what I told is wrong. See, last time, not divide by 3 or something like that, or not plus, it should be minus. I never told so far. I will not tell in future also. So with that much I am explaining, everything clear. Now onwards, see, I am telling, for moment of inertia, when I continue from next class, that is lecture number 56 onwards, wherever, see, when I continue, wherever, I put red color only. Wherever location of centroid comes, location of centroid G comes, then in the class, in the beginning, I will show the calculation. I will not explain much. Then why so much over? And sometimes I may not explain that. I will put directly centroid location, you only do it. So I will tell exercise, or I will tell this lamina or area considered for moment of inertia is the same question as we considered for centroid location. I will write there, part 3, lecture number so and so. I will tell that one. There it is complete. So go there, write everything and come back here. So I will put location of centroid. Okay, therefore x bar, y bar. That you should do. Or what all I tell in the class, you should do, you have to follow that one if you really want to learn from me. See, that's why I told, I will use the word, there is a limit for everything. See, everything there's a limit. Once okay, twice okay, thrice okay. I have so many concepts, I told not one, 2, 3 times, maybe around 10 times. Some of the concept I told not 10 times, furthermore. If still some person will tell, he is now writing simply, he is not explaining why it is 1/3, why it is L plus A by 3, why it is H into B cube by 48, not telling anything, then I will tell them, you leave my class. You study somewhere else. I am not a person fit for you, fit for teaching you. Or I will tell, you don't deserve to be learned. You don't deserve to learn from me. People will tell harsh language. Yes, it is a harsh language only. So that is very important. So remember now, every time, sometime I will mention lecture 55, red color. Go there and come back here. And what all I told, you follow. See, in the online courses, in YouTube, I have seen so many uploading where they will tell each and everything. Sometimes they will tell calculation part. Why? Because they are uploading random order. Suddenly somebody will tell, today I am uploading a problem for SFD BMD. Then he will tell sigma m about A0, see anti-clockwise positive, minus VB into L, this is anti-clockwise, he all will tell. Because otherwise people won't understand there. Entire subject, one day he will put somewhere here. See, it's like a ocean. The structural engineering is like a ocean. Today he will tell something here, like that. So that those people, they may explain more, but I am covering the complete ocean. Complete ocean I am covering. Therefore, that too in a systematic order. So if I tell already over earlier, or I may use the word, there is a limit for everything, I will tell lecture number 55, it is your responsibility. In case you cannot do it, then with regret I will tell, I don't bother. I will tell, don't study from me. But I do not want that to anybody. So therefore, some people may comment also, not explaining. Okay, what not explaining? I will tell there's a limit for everything. Beyond the limit, not possible. Each and every class I can't tell, y x bar equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2, a3 x3, where a1 is the area of the first part, x1 is the distance of centroid of that one from the what? No other work is there for me. So therefore, what I told here, it is same for strength of materials. See, when I go to SFD BMD, in strength of materials or any chapter, initially very thorough explanation. Once completely over, after master examples, then repeated terms I will write there. You try it. Go to earlier refer, already over. Still not understanding means lecture 55 of part 3 of engineering mechanics. That will tell you what I want to tell. So therefore, and maybe later I will upload one more class outside the subject. That time I may tell once again general instructions, or I will tell you, see, information or advice or warning, etc. I got right to warn. So right now, remember, till I upload that one, or people who know me, see, suppose somebody is absent to a class, something he won't understand. He will not ask me. He will ask his neighbor, who is neighbor to him. Is it already over? Then his neighbor will tell, what do you think? If it is not already over thoroughly, do you think the sir will tell that way? If he is told, okay, you find x bar, y bar yourself only, I will come back after 5 minutes, I will tell. So he does not know, but others all will calculate. So, and again I told, that means I want only people who are serious in gaining knowledge. As usual, remember I am telling, knowledge will never let you down. If you want to master structural engineering, these engineering mechanics, strength of materials, structure analysis, both determinate, indeterminate, RCC, steel, PS, splitters, concrete, more subjects like matrix method, advanced RCC part, advanced structures, or finite element method, I will decide later. That all I will upload one by one later. So I am going to continuously upload classes now, till I find difficulty to take the classes, till that day. If I find I am not able to take the classes, then I will stop. Otherwise, I will search. See, it's like a ocean, never-ending ocean. So this all will come in order. And even I propose, once engineering mechanics over, as I start strength of materials, I got a plans now. So many are asking for RCC. I will parallelly start RCC also. Who knows? Then I will tell strength of materials separate course or separate. Those who want to learn strength of materials, then come to RCC. Wait, you study later. But some people, they want RCC or steel. I am thinking of these two simultaneous also. This will continue simultaneously. See, classes will come uploaded. I will, in the title you can see RCC course, you can see whether it is strength of materials or RCC or steel, you can see there. Okay, that's all I want to tell. This is, I told you, whenever I am not explaining anything and simply write the answer, means only one thing, it is told endless number of times earlier, so that everything is clear. So your responsibility to study again. So again, whatever is the class today, I told 180 something like that. If you are serious, start from class 1, study everything. Okay, that's all. Thank you. We will continue subject in next class number 56.